Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to manage offline languages on your Android smartphone device. So whether it's a Samsung Galaxy, a Google Pixel, or another Android-based phone. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to pick a different language from the input options. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is swipe up on your home screen and select the Settings gear button. And then you want to scroll down and select the option that says Google. So select the Google tile on this page and then select all services up at the top. And then underneath settings for Google Apps, select Search, Assistant, and Voice. And then select the Voice tile in here. And then you can adjust the speech output by selecting the speech output option there. You can select if you want full or none. You can also change the offline speech recognition settings as well by selecting that option here. And then if you had other language packs, you can select them, as well as the auto update settings. And by selecting languages up at the top, you can change the language of your device. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.